Okay, in this video, we will multiply mixed numbers, and these are the two problems that we will solve together. And so if you want to attempt them first, feel free. Okay, so the way we're going to solve this problem, currently it's written as a mixed number. So you have a number in front and then you have a fraction. So the way we're going to first do this problem is turn it into an improper fraction where the numerator is bigger than the denominator. And the way we can create an improper fraction is by changing this up. So this is saying we have 3 and 4/5. So the way I'm going to do this is I'm going to multiply 3 times 5. And 3 times 5 is 15. And I'm going to add 15 to the numerator. So 4 plus 15 is 19. So I'm going to put 19 in the numerator and the denominator stays the same. And I'll explain it again. So how I got 19. I took my 3, I multiplied it by the denominator. 3 times 5 is 15. Then I added it to the numerator. 15 plus 4 is 19. We will keep our multiplication sign, and we're going to do the exact same thing for this piece. So 2 times 2 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. So the new numerator is 5 divided by 2. Again, how we got 5, we took our 2, we multiplied it by the denominator. 2 times 2 is 4, and we added it to the numerator. 4 plus 1 is 5. Now at this point, we just multiply it out. We have two fractions, and we can just multiply two fractions. So we'll multiply the numerator with the numerator. So 19 times 5 divided by denominator with denominator. 5 times 2. And again, for multiplication, we just multiply numerator with numerator, denominator with denominator. For addition and subtraction, that's when we need to have the common denominator, but we're multiplying. Okay, to make our lives easier, here we have dividing by 5, here we're multiplying 5, so they're canceled. You know, if you're multiplying by 5 and then divide by 5, they're not doing anything, so we can cancel it out. So all we have left is 19 divided by 2. 19 divided by 2 is our answer as an improper fraction where the numerator is bigger than the denominator. And we can also write this as a mixed number. So the way we're going to do this as a mixed number, we take our 19 and we divide by 2. And we think to ourselves, 2 doesn't go into 1, doesn't happen, but 2 can somewhat go into 19, not all the way, because we know 2 times 9 is 18. And we subtract, we have 1 left over. And we have 1 left over. That's a key piece. So the way we're going to write this answer is we have 9 and 1/2 because we have 1 left over. Because we don't have 10, we don't have 9, we have a little bit more than 9, so we have like 9.5. And so these are two ways to write our answer as an improper fraction and as a mixed number. Okay, this is the second problem. If you want to pause the video here and attempt it, feel free. Same procedure. We need to create an improper fraction. So we take our 1, times it by 7. 1 times 7 is 7, plus 2. We get 7 plus 2 is 9. 9 divided by 7 times 2 times 3 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7 divided by 3 is equal to, so we have two improper fractions and we're multiplying. So we multiply numerator with numerator. So 9 times 7 divided by denominator with denominator. 7 times 3. So right away we see we have a 7 and a 7. So we're multiplying by 7. We're dividing by 7. So it cancels out. Now here it's a 9. It's dividing by 3. I guess you can write it out as 9 divided by 3. And 9 divided by 3 is just 3. It's like you have 9 $1 bills and you have 3 friends. So each friend would get, 3 $1 bills. And so our final answer is 3. That's all we can really do. It's not an improper fraction. It's not a mixed number. It's a whole number. And that's pretty much it regarding multiplying mixed numbers.